Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So the neighborhood that I am in today is Ravenna at Skye Canyon Master Plan Community out here in the northwest Las Vegas Valley. This is a gated neighborhood. As you can see, the garage are going to be out into the back, and in front of the house you're going to have a lot of parks that are all nearby. Okay. Now, this model right here, this is the Bayview model by Beazer Homes. Now, I'm actually kind of excited to tour the Beazer Homes because I've never toured a Beazer home, okay? Now, this model right here is 1,995 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. The starting price on this home is $336,490. So let's go inside, let's take a look at their product, and let's see what they have to offer. So as we come in on the first floor, on the tile we have 12 by 24 inch with a 6-inch stagger and 1/8 on the grout lines, straight edge on the cornerings. Okay, so this is a contemporary floor plan. You have 9-foot ceilings, it looks like here. I'm gonna come all the way around. Let's see what we got. So here's your living space. Looks like we have orange peel texture, and with the bullnose and a 4-inch on the baseboards. You got the dual pane windows with the bright white vinyl window frames. On this one you have surround sounds, and looks like you have the Traverse flush mount LED lights, I believe it looks like. This must just be your 6-panel coat closet here. Let's take a look. Yes, it is a coat closet. The incentives with this builder, I believe it is 1% according to the sales agent if you do use their preferred lender. So here's your pantry. Okay. Let's take a look at the island. You have 120 lots. 50 lots have been sold at this time. HOAs are going to run you about $48 for the master, $83 for the sub. And you do have a balance of SIDS and lids, and it averages out to about $40 a month. Let's take a look at this backsplash here. Pretty nice backsplash. Looks like you got 36 inches on the cabinet here. 3 inches on the crown. Let's see here. Got some granite. 1.5 inches. You got your standard slides. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Ooh, I do love this side little courtyard here. This is a 6-foot vinyl slide. I wonder who the maker of this slide is. Okay, as far as the product, it's not your top of the notch. So here's the side of the house. Okay, so you have your water spigot here. So it looks like on these homes you don't really have like a full backyard, and the reason why they do this is because the back of the house is actually your garage. The front of your house is where all the guests comes, and also that's where you're gonna have like all the parks, and that's just the way that this was designed. So it looks like you have your digital thermostat. Here's your 2-car garage, but that is a sales office. We've got some cabinets here. Coming into the half bath, and you got your pedestal sink with your oval mirror. Okay. Let's take a look here. We got some storage underneath the staircase. Wow, look at all their components. Alright, so we have a 48-inch on the staircasing here. Carpets are nice and plush. Let's come all the way up here. Let's see what we got. Coming up to a loft. I mean, it's a pretty decent sized loft. I think at the end of the day, this is a great starter home. So we got 8-foot ceilings on the second floor, orange peel texture. Open railing, you got the second thermostat. You have your transfer grill here. Coming into the master. Master's a pretty decent size. Definitely got the king size bed here. Now it looks like they didn't add a door here. That could be an option, and also right here. Now guys, I've never done a Beazer homes. Okay, walk-in closet. I mean, this is a pretty decent size. An orange peel texture. You got the brown carpet here. Now let's come into the master bath. Master bath. Pretty large. Looks like you got your standard here. Fiberglass tub. Separate shower, which is really nice. Okay. You got that frosted glass. Now let's see what options and configurations that they have. Which layout would you choose for your room? Let me know in the comments below. A or B? I think I'm gonna go with A better. Let me know in the comments below what you would choose. Here's your valet. Let's see what type of materials that you're using. So they're using Plex plumbing, and I noticed they have the valve that you just turn clockwise to turn off. I prefer the push valve. It's just crazy how you can just walk around and look at the materials, and you can tell like the quality of materials based upon the price of the home and basically how much the builders are going to be making off of you. It's just crazy. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are. If this is something that you would pay. Take a look at this. You got your attic access right here. You got your filters. Coming into the second bedroom. Now this is a pretty large bedroom. Welcome to the locker room. Now this is a pretty decent size. So I'm kind of happy with this. Okay. So you got a balcony from the front of the house. As you can see, all the lots here. They're going to build homes here. Right? So they'll end up probably putting maybe 1, 2, 3 more here. Looks like. And look at that. Your home is basically right in front of the park there. Wow, does it really come with rain gutters? You got about a foot on the soffit. You got the Spanish tiles. Now, I was asking the sales agent what the lot premiums are. And she was telling me the lot premiums, right, are from $15,000 to $75,000. And I asked her, I was like, $75,000? Are you sure not $7,500? No, she said $75,000. And she was like, yeah, you tell me about it. But I'm not going to tell you which person told me that. But anyway, yeah, it was kind of baffling. I couldn't believe what the lot premiums are. So let's take a look at the materials and the supplies that they use. And I love when builders do this. So here is the attic. Now, what you see right there, that mesh and that insulation, okay, they actually staple this up to the ceiling, okay? And depending on certain builders, they say this is more efficient versus the radiant barrier, or if you just did the blown-in insulation, or if you did the batten insulation on the 38. That I'm really not too sure. I would just do the radiant barrier and the blown-in insulation and do the rating for R38. So as you can see within the drywall here, they are using blown-in insulation. And now the sheets are using Vitek, which is a great brand, DuPont on the sheets. And the exterior here, as you can see, we have the concrete stucco. And it looks like it comes with your 36-inch on the smart panel box. And check this out. Love the fact that They did the Smurf tube to the D mark. Here is your Cat 6. Here's your options for your cable. So it looks like you only get 3 cables. So one is probably the living room, for the master, and also the loft. So that looks like it's standard. And I love the fact that they have a plug right here too as well. Okay. Now this home is a part of the Hertz rating third-party company, and they are saying that their rating is roughly about 58, it looks like, for 57. The lower the better. Okay, great. So I love the fact that they also shows like the vendors that they are using. Moen, as far as appliances, not appliances, but fixtures. Mohawk for carpets. Sherwin-Williams for the paint. And also, what are they giving you? Tile, right? Del Tile. And also Whirlpool appliances for your appliances. Okay. And your building materials. And DuPont. Okay, got it. Let's see what else I have. Energy efficient, love that. Over 300 years of home building experience. Wow, I didn't know they've been around for 300 years. Interesting. This is a more of a little smaller room here. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this build so far. Looks like you have a 30-inch on the vanity, granite, and you have your cast iron sink here. And your one-piece tub shower combo. And this looks like it's all going to be standard here as well. It's just so funny. Like, we've done so many videos, you can just tell like what is standard. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are about this property. If you can see yourself moving in. All right, moving into this property. If you do like the floor plan, also, do you think it is worth the asking price? And if you have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Not too sure what you're waiting for. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.